Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Southwest. That is everything south of US 6 and west of State Route 25. So when we dig into the data, what we're seeing in Wood County Southwest is it's the winner for the lowest amount of inventory in all of Wood County. Currently, we're sitting at below 1 month's worth of inventory. What this means, folks, is it will drive and will continue to drive pricing way up because as supply and demand do its thing, supply and demand dictate that as demand is really super high, which we have tons of buyers for this area right now, and supply is super low, which we can see right here, the prices will continue to drive up. But this will not be this way for long. All good things have to come to an end. My prediction is we are likely to see a market correction by late this summer, early fall. And what that will likely look like is housing prices will start to flatten. We will not see this big crash that all of these pseudo experts are predicting that have no clue how this works or have no clue about the market in general. Folks, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we are not going to see a crash, in my opinion. What we are more likely to see is higher interest rates, higher cost of living, which will drive the affordability index way, way down for new housing. And the reason I say this is because we can't keep printing money like we have been and not see the effects. We can't continue to rely on unemployment to help pay for people's way and not see the effects. All good things have to come to an end, including this market, and what that's going to likely look like is higher interest rates as a result of all the money we've been printing. And we're also going to see higher cost of everything because labor right now is at such a shortage that it's driving cost of labor up, which is driving the cost of goods up with it. So we will not see this expert crash that everybody's predicting. What we're more likely to see is housing will become less affordable. We're probably going to see more people hunkering down and staying where they're at, and the people that have to make a move are just going to have to pay more for it in the future. So my best advice that I can give you right now is if you've been on the fence thinking about making a move, whether it's because your house is too big, too small, not right, not in the right location, you want to move closer to wherever, Jim T with Key can help. Give us a call today. I'd be happy to talk to you more about what that may look like for you and how to help you create a plan that works for you and your family. I am not here to sell you a thing, folks. I am not a salesman. I don't believe in that. My only job is to help you make better decisions. And if I've done that, ultimately we'll all be happier in the end. I thank you so much for joining me today. It's been an absolute pleasure. And if you like the information that you've received in this video and would like to see more of it, please give me a call. Happy to answer any questions you may have, or if you're not quite ready for that yet, please at least subscribe to my channel. That way you can get all of our future installments regarding this topic sent directly to you. I thank you so much for joining us. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. You make this the best day yet. Have a good one.